So here's the deal. I've been convinced to put my Chinese turbo on my old Jeep here, and we're going to turn the boost up until the rods come out the block. But before we can do that, I want to do a baseline. So I'm going to get straight to it. If you want to see more details about this, wait till the end of the video. But right now, we're going to go rip this thing and do a good baseline before we slap this thing on. Let's party. Alright guys, so here's the plan. How much boost can a 2.8 V6 hold? That's what we're gonna find out here soon. Alright, for real. Plan is we're gonna mount this guy right here, probably in this area. You know the deal. Run the hot side badly to there. No intercooler. No intercooler. Already got the sniper, so I got plenty of fuel. Got to get a hat. Got to get a CD box and get the ignition timing right, because stuff, things, possibilities, rods, moon, maybe. But you know, gonna get a blaster coil and CD box so it can, you know, pull ignition under boost. Already said hat, stuff, things, lots of things, stuff. Now,